Dear children, good morning everyone. We can do the last activities from the lesson work we do. In this lesson, we learned that different people help us in our daily life. Some of them are doctor, nurse, conductor, shopkeeper, postman, etc. Then you also learned that people in our house, members in our family do different works. Some of them do works for earning money. Other people also do works, but they are not earning money. They do work for their own family without any without getting any money. Children, we can go to the activity. Find out from your grandparents what work they did when they were children. Okay, now you are doing some works at home. You may be washing plates, then you may be helping your parents to clean their vehicles. Maybe you are planting vegetables in the vegetable garden. Then you want to ask your grandparents about what they were doing, what works they did when they were children, when they were in your age. You can inquire about this and write in these given lines. For example, maybe they have they have drawn water from the well at that time. Then maybe they went for collecting firewood. But now you don't want to go for collecting firewood because we have another type of stoves now, stove which work on gobar gas or LPG. Then we have a stove which work on electricity. All are available now. But in olden times, most of the people used, almost all the people used firewood for cooking cooking food. Then I told you they might have gone for drawing water from the well. Well will be far away from their house. They want to draw water from the well using pulley and string. Then they want to draw the water from the well, and they have to collect it in pots and they have to bring it home. They might have done it when they were children, but now we all have taps, water taps in our house. We don't want to draw water from the well. Same way, they may use cow dung for plastering the walls. They helped their parents for all these works when they were children. Anyway, you ask your grandma and grandpa about this, and you can write that answer in these given lines. Then we can see what Sarama's grandmother were doing when she was a child. Sarama asked her grandmother or Nani. We call grandma Nani also the same question. Nani replied, "When I was a child, I would help my elders to collect firewood, make cow dung cakes, and plaster walls with cow dung. But now we have a stove that works on gobar gas. The floor and walls of our house are concreted. There is no need for Sarama to do some of the jobs that her grandmother did in her childhood." Children, here Sarama's nanny told that she was going to collect firewood and she was making cow dung cake. Both of these, firewood and cow dung cake, were used for cooking, for making fire. But now we have LPG. Then we have gobar gas. Gobar gas is gas produced from cow dung or vegetable waste or food waste, etc. Then we can cook food using electricity also. Then they had one more. She did one more work also. When Annie was a child, she collected cow dung and she used it for plastering the walls and floors of their house. Now all of you know that we are not using cow dung for making floor and for plastering the walls, because we use cement, cement, metal, etc. And we can use make floor with tile, mosaic, etc. So we don't want to go for collecting cow dung. Then we can go to the next activity. You had written about the work you do and the work done by your elders in their childhood. Is there any change? You think about this answer. Then Deepali had to leave school to do household work. Find out if there are any children in your neighborhood who are over 5 years and do not go to school. Children, in the last page we learned about a girl, Deepali. She stopped going school for taking care of her younger sister and also for doing household work. Then in your neighborhood also there may be such children who are over 5 years and do not go to school. Nowadays it is not happening, but anyway in some colonies, Adivasi colonies, that is happening. You have to inquire about it, such children. Talk to any two children and find out why they do not go to school. You want to find such two children. If there are any, you can find them and you can talk them. Name of the first child, you can write the child's name here. Reason for not going to school, why they are not going to school, that also you can write. Name of the second child, the name of the second child you can write here. Reason for not going to school. If possible, find the answer for this. Then write this also, take photograph and send to empty classroom. Thank you, children.